New FPGA-powered retro console recreates the PlayStation 1, CD-ROM drive optional Ars Technica. The world of gaming is constantly evolving, with new consoles and technology being released every year. However, for many gamers, there is a certain nostalgia and love for the classic consoles of the past. That's why the announcement of a new FPGA-powered retro console that recreates the PlayStation 1 has caused quite a stir in the gaming community. According to Ars Technica, this new console will not only bring back the beloved games of the past, but it also gives players the option to add a CD-ROM drive for an even more authentic experience. This means that gamers can dust off their old PlayStation 1 games and play them on this new console, without having to worry about compatibility issues. But what exactly is an FPGA-powered console? FPGA stands for Field Programmable Gate Array, which is essentially a type of chip that can be programmed to mimic other hardware. This allows for a more accurate emulation of the original console, making the gaming experience as close to the real thing as possible. The announcement of this new console has sparked excitement among fans of the PlayStation 1, with many eagerly anticipating its release. However, there has also been some controversy surrounding the use of FPGA technology in emulation. Some argue that it takes away from the authenticity of playing on the original hardware, while others see it as a way to preserve and enjoy classic games in a modern setting. Regardless of where you stand on this debate, one thing is for sure. This new FPGA-powered retro console is sure to bring back some fond memories for gamers and introduce a new generation to the joys of classic gaming. Keep an eye out for its release and get ready to relive your favorite PlayStation 1 games in a whole new way. The Sims 1 and 2 reportedly getting PC re-releases this week. Eurogamer in just 8 days' time. The Sims turns 25 and EA is reportedly poised to re-release The Sims 1 and 2 this week as part of the series' quarter-century celebrations. The Sims has been a beloved franchise since its debut in 2000, allowing players to create and control their own virtual world. The first 2 installments in the series were hugely successful, with The Sims 2 being considered by many as the best in the franchise. According to Eurogamer, these re-releases will be available for PC, giving fans a chance to revisit these classic games on modern systems. This news has sparked excitement among fans, who have been eagerly waiting for a way to play these games without having to dig out their old computers. But why are these re-releases only happening now, 25 years after the original game's release? Some speculate that it could be due to licensing issues or the fact that the original games were not compatible with newer operating systems. Whatever the reason may be, fans are just happy to have the opportunity to play these beloved games once again. The Sims franchise has had a huge impact on the gaming industry and has a dedicated fanbase that has been eagerly awaiting any news of a potential re-release. With just a few days left until the reported release date, fans are counting down the days until they can dive back into the world of The Sims 1 and 2. Why is everyone still sitting? Woman dines in at the Cheesecake Factory. Then she looks up the daily. A Cheesecake Factory gathering was momentarily interrupted by the sort of sight you don't want to experience at a restaurant. According to the Daily Dot, a woman dining at the popular restaurant chain looked up from her meal to see a rodent frolicking among the light fixtures above her table. In a video capturing the incident, you can hear the woman's shock and disbelief as she asks, "Why is everyone still sitting?" The video quickly went viral, sparking a mix of reactions from disgust to amusement. This incident has raised concerns about the cleanliness and safety of restaurants, especially in light of the ongoing pandemic. While rodents are not uncommon in urban areas, having one appear in a restaurant is certainly cause for alarm. The Cheesecake Factory has since released a statement saying that they have taken immediate action to address the issue and ensure the safety of their guests. However, this incident serves as a reminder to always be aware of your surroundings, even when dining out. Subscribe for your daily dose of the latest updates and breakthroughs in technology. With new consoles, re-releases of classic games, and unexpected restaurant visitors, the world of technology is always full of surprises. Stay informed and entertained with our daily articles.